This little character started as a rough doodle. In the next few minutes, you'll turn a sketch just like it into a 3D creation you can bring to life and place right into the real world with AR. Let's make one together. Start with an idea and don't worry about drawing skills. Rough is perfect. I'm sketching on a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 with the S Pen, so it feels just like paper. No tablet? Any device works, even a mouse. Now watch. Galaxy AI's sketch-to-image turns my doodle into a polished picture in seconds. Don't have it? No problem. Draw it in more detail yourself, or use any image you like, a photo, a paper drawing, or even clip art. Next, let's give it depth. First, remove the background so the shape reads cleanly. Now open Assemblr EDU in your browser and sign in to your account. From the homepage, open AI Object Generator. Choose From Image, then upload the 2D image you generated earlier on your tablet. Click Generate 3D Object to let AI transform your flat image into a fully rotatable 3D model. Before generating, make sure you have enough blur coin, as this feature requires credits. Once the generation is complete, you can either download the model as a GLB file or publish it directly into Assemblr EDU. To continue editing, click Publish and Share, choose Create Project, complete the publishing settings if needed, and your new 3D model will be ready to use in a project. Now you're inside your Assemblr EDU project with the 3D model you just generated. Let's start building the scene by adding a background to give your character a home. Use the Move, Rotate, and Scale handles to position everything just the way you want. This is your stage. Here's where it comes alive. First, give it motion, an animation, or a simple spin. Then let's make it react to you. With visual code, we say, when the character is tapped, play its animation and a sound. No typing, just snap the blocks together. Tap to test, and there it is, reacting to you. First, let's add an animation. Open the Animation workspace, then click Select an Object to add animation and choose your astronaut. Next, open Preset Animations and select Float. In the animation settings, adjust the speed, intensity, loop count, and duration to achieve the animation effect you want. Once you're happy with the settings, click Apply. Your astronaut now has a smooth floating animation. With the animation in place, we're ready to move on to the next step and make the object interactive using visual coding. Before moving on, let's compile the animation so it can be used in visual coding. Click the Play Mode dropdown and choose Compile Animation. In the Create Animation window, enter Floating Astronaut as the animation name, select the astronaut object, and set the duration to 30 seconds. Then click Create Animation. That's it. Your compiled animation is now stored in the animation library, ready to be triggered through visual coding. Next, let's add an audio to the project so we can make the interaction even more engaging. Let's add a sound effect to our astronaut. In the left panel, open Audio. From the audio library, choose Free SFX. Don't worry, these sound effects are completely free to use. If you'd rather use your own audio, you can also upload a custom audio file to Assemblr EDU. For this tutorial, let's choose Kaching, then click Add to Scene. Make sure the audio type is set to SFX, and that's it. Your sound effect is now part of the scene. Now it's time to bring everything together with visual coding. Open the Visual Coding tab from the left panel. First, go to Events, then under the Input section, drag the When Blank is Clicked block into the workspace. Set the target object to your astronaut. Next, open States and find the Play Compiled Animation block. Choose Floating Astronaut as the animation, set the object to astronaut, leave the speed at 1, and keep Wait empty. Then snap this block underneath the When is Clicked block. Now let's add the sound effect. In States, drag the Set Media block into the workspace. Select the Kaching sound effect, set the action to playing, enable reset so the sound starts from the beginning each time it's played, and leave loop turned off. If you ever want the sound to repeat continuously, simply enable the loop option. Connect this block below the animation block to complete the interaction. That's it. Your visual coding is complete. Click Preview to test your project. When you tap the astronaut, it should play the floating animation and the sound effect together. Congratulations! You've successfully created your first interactive project in Assemblr EDU. Now let's move on to the final step and publish your project. Almost there. Click Publish and complete your project details, then publish your project. Once it's live, click Share. Using a Samsung device, instantly send your project to another Samsung device with Quick Share. Not on Galaxy? No worries. Just share the QR code or project link and anyone can experience your interactive AR project. Now the moment. Scan the marker and your creation steps into the real world. Walk around it, view it from any angle, and tap it, just like we set up. I'm viewing on the Galaxy tab, but any phone or tablet with a camera can scan and explore it. That's it. You turned a drawing into a living AR creation. Now make it yours. A character, an animal, a class mascot, anything you can imagine. Want to go deeper on any step? The tutorials below walk through each one.